Hello everyone, I'm back with another interesting find from Temu. So this is a travel portable jewelry case. It is perfect for organizing your necklaces, rings, and earrings. It comes with a zipper all around. The zip is very cute. As you can see, it's quite spacious. The portion on the left with four compartments is removable, so if you have any larger items you can probably just take this off. I prefer to keep it on. I have like really dainty pieces of jewelries, and then there are the slots on the right for rings as well as earrings, and then there are slots on the top for necklaces. And if you have any loose items, any loose earrings, you can just put it on the pouch there. This one is at a very affordable price point of just $1.38. I see a lot of deals going on every now and then. I think this is a perfect organizing box. It is great for gifting. This is so portable and it's very lightweight. I hate those boxes which are bulky on their own and it's a hassle to carry them. It's very compact. With size comparison, I have just popped in my foundation bottle right there. You can see how compact it is and it can still store a lot of stuff. You can easily put it in your carry-on luggage, a small suitcase, or even if you have like a large tote bag or a backpack that you're carrying, you can easily just throw in there. I have tried fitting in my jewelry in this. I think I could carry at least, like, I would say 5 to 10 earrings, maybe 3 4 rings, about 2 to 3 necklaces, and a few, like I would say 3 4 loose pieces. I think it's perfect. It comes in different colors. I believe there is a black one, a white one, and also a teal one, which was very beautiful, but it got sold out before I could buy it. And I got it from a site called Temu, not affiliated in any way. I personally loved the quality of the box. I think it is really good quality for the price point. The zipper is really good. It comes with a cute charm, and I think it's just well made. I don't see any loose threads, any low quality zippers used, or any low quality material used. The inside is all felt. It has a soft finish and touch to it. Overall, it's a really good find. I think it's a very good item personally for even gifting others. So if you have like a sweet 16 coming up for your kid, or you are just throwing like a girls party or a bridal shower, I think this could be one of those goodie boxes item. It's really inexpensive yet very useful, and I think everybody can find some or other way to use out of it. And it has a very elegant design. You can probably, if you want to really customize it, maybe just put on your names on top of it, or you can just add some like cute stickers or cute charms to the chain. And I feel it's a very great gift. It's for good for gift. It's good for holidays, for any special occasions. You can buy it in different colors, just for different types of jewelry that you can take for different occasions. Like you can have one box just for your, like, vacation jewelry, one for work jewelry. You can probably just try to use it that way. I find it to be extremely multi-purpose, really affordable, and a really useful product. I think, like, this is a great addition to your organizing stuff. It will help keep all the pieces at the same place, and it will definitely make your wardrobe look a lot more cleaner and your jewelry a little bit more organized. Personally, I think this is a really good product. It's just under $2. It fits a lot of stuff. It has about 6 ring rolls, a detachable crossing board. It's perfect. I have already ordered like 10 or 20 pieces of these to gift to my girlfriends, and I think I'm going to keep buying more in future. Let me know if you like this product, or if you would like me to review any more products from Temu, and I would be happy to do so. Have a good day. Bye bye.